Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So Spell Token is doing extremely well. It already did a full, I think, like 48% return. I bought $1,000 back at, what price did I buy? So initially I bought $1,000 at 0.016. I bought at 0.016 at 0.032. I should see a full. I sent like $100 to one of my buddies for Spell Token. But at 0.032, I should be making a full 100% on Spell Token. I actually think that the rally on Spell just started. I think it not even started, right? I actually think it's going to start. Apart from this movement, I think Spell Token is going to keep rallying, but I think the actual confirmed bull run for Spell Token, or at least like the weekly close bullish, is going to happen on Sunday. So we might have already moved a pretty nice amount from the initial purchase of 0.016, which is actually right. I bought right here, right? That's where I bought, and then it rallied that much. Um, I actually think it has way more to the upside. Um, if I knew that Spell was here, that Coinbase had it. I don't even think Coinbase has listed it until like just recently. I think it's only been on Coinbase for like a month. I don't even know when it actually got listed on Coinbase. Um, but I think that it can still run. I think that Spell can still run. I still think it has a lot of movement to the upside. I think it's going to close a bullish week on Sunday against Ethereum. So not against the US dollar, but against Ethereum, it's actually going to close bullish, which is actually a better indicator. So yeah, so far I think, well, as of right now, 47% gain on Spell Token. I think it can definitely go to 0.032, which would be like another, I don't know, like 40-50% gain from here, maybe a little bit less. I still think it has room to run. I think it has a lot of room to run, but definitely got in a good time. All luck though. This was literally all luck. I bought Spell because of the name, and that was really it. So just a quick update. I think it still has a lot more movement, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.